I am so excited about this upcoming bundle deal, especially for Black Friday. I'm just going to tell you what we are covering. Means basically, I did lots of market research. I asked people what they wanted, and accordingly, I have created the bundle. And this is actually just at a giveaway price because this is full of resources which will help you make 60K in this year, remaining 4 weeks. So, what is there? First of all, we have a lifetime of social media content creation prompts, and that course is already means basically totally discounted. Actual price is 67. We are giving for 27, but bundle price is even cheaper. Then we have a course that is 60K in 4 weeks, and it is a really short course, but it will give you guideline how you can make 60K in 4 weeks, and I want you to make 60K in 4 weeks. And all the details are here actually. You can click, and there is a detailed video about each digital product and e-course, what it contains. So I'm not going into details of that. I'm just going to give you the overview of the bundle. And then we also have a Facebook ads copy because Facebook ads are so expensive, and I got many requests that if you have something like really inexpensive Facebook ads copy, we will really appreciate that. So it is a comprehensive guide I'm giving you as part of bundle, and it is bundle. The overprice means actually it is valued over, yeah, it's a huge amount, but even the selling price is 323, and we are giving 70% off. And actually, I have given away even one Facebook ads e-course free to all my subscribers. So if you are not my subscriber, you can become subscriber and you can request me. I will send that course for free because that was my gift for being on my subscribers list. And then we have a second package, which is DFI SEO package. And here actually SEO done for you with just 10 keywords and 180 backlinks monthly and 3 guest posts as a bonus. And plus, we are giving one-time bonus of $40 worth of digitals from our sister company, mynewbeginning.com. But if you double the 20 keywords, then you get 360 backlinks per month, and yeah, you get 6 guests for every month as a bonus, plus you get $80 worth of digitals as a thank you gift. So these are the two bundle deals right now we have, and we are just totally excited. Yeah, means we just want every solopreneur to be very prosperous, and we are addressing their major concerns. So all the major concerns means you never have to worry about the social media content creation. You never have to worry about making money because this is a short course. You will finish the course because many times people sign up for the course, they don't finish the course. Here this is a short, you can finish the course and you will apply it immediately and you will make money immediately. But even though the course is short, we have a lifetime of support available, live trainings available, joint venture available, podcasting is available where we'll promote you, and means you will gain more visibility. So all those features are still there. So I just want you to be really prosperous, and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars creating Facebook ads copy. I'm giving you the comprehensive package to you. Just grab it. It is the best deal you can ever find. I just want you to be really, really prosperous, and thank you. God bless you.